Better marriage life. Is this the one you really wanted? Then this video is going to be answer for you. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to have a better marriage life in just 2 steps. So stay till the very end if you really want to know it, and we'll just get into it. Hi, this is Vinitha. I'm a mindfulness and a relationship coach. If you're the one who is looking out for a better emotional support and a better life, then this is a channel for you. Go and hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will get the notifications whenever I post videos. So as I said, if you're really interested to know how to get the better married life, then here it is. The first thing what you really wanted to do is, I want you to just introspect the past events of your life. Past in the sense until even an hour ago is a past. Okay, I just want you to introspect on what are the topics did you and your spouse had a conflict with. Okay, I don't want you to get into the details of what are the things, okay, but I want you to just introspect and get to know that what is the topic on which you are repeatedly having conflict with your spouse. Okay, if you're the one looking out for a better relationship with your in-laws, then just take it out this same very question. Just go through the past sequences of your life and then see that what is the topic on which you are really getting repeatedly the problems with that person. Just hang around, take a paper and start writing. That is where when really you get serious. If you really just hanging around on this video as just an information, then there will be just an information and you will move on to the next video by the end. If you really want to change, take out a paper and just start writing out the situations wherever you felt that you are not going in hand on hand with them. Then start noting it out, and then finally you will also see what is the pattern. What is the topic that is really getting repeated in your conflict with that person? Just isolate that topic alone. Okay, that is what very important out of this exercise, because whenever we just get into a clash with that person, we tend to remember on the day you said that, on that year, that day, that time you said this and you did this, right? We used to just cross-pollinate over the situations and make it a big fuss inside our mind, isn't it? I want you to get a clarity over on how to solve it. So before getting into that point, I want you to get onto a hold that what is the topic that really becoming hot whenever you are speaking about it with your spouse or with an in-law or with any person you really want to have a good relationship. So just isolate the topic at first. Okay, so pause this video and just really do that activity and get to know that what is that topic that really always ignites a fire between you and the person and making you feel so low or high, and you are not feeling so good with your spouse or with the in-laws with that topic. So just get to that point, that what is the topic. Okay, believing that you have done that step. Okay, now the second step, let's move on to it. So in the second step, I want you to introspect the same situations again but in a different angle. So before going to that, let me tell you one thing. So on each of the situations, whatever happened, I can really understand you that you were correct. I'm not telling you anything. You are really absolutely, you were correct from your point of view. And now in this step, I want you to know one more thing, that even the other person was also correct from their point of view. Everyone who ever speaks or does any activity, they really have done it hoping and believing that it is the best thing to do it or to speak it at that moment. Okay, maybe after an hour or maybe a few minutes after that, they might feel that it's wrong, but then at that moment they felt it is correct and they did. Okay, and now what I really want you to know is, from this space of truth, I want you to reflect upon the same situations and to see that what is the perspective of that person in that situation from their point of view, going through all their experiences, beliefs, and to see that what is that really made them to be what they were at that point of time. I know that it really recommends a great thing in you, but at the same time I know that you always have that. Okay, when you are watching this video, it means that you really want to have a better relationship with that person. Better relationship comes with better understanding of the person. So I want you to take this moment, okay, put yourself in them, going through all the experiences, whatever they had in their life, going through all the knowledge or all the beliefs, whatever they hold on to it based on their experiences. I want you to hold on to it and see through the situations, whatever that happened in your life, from their experience, from their beliefs, from their point of view, and look into those situations and see the same situations, and you will really recognize that why did they did. Okay, you will get the answers. Why did they do or speak those things, whichever that happened in the past? Okay, I want you to really take this step very seriously until and unless you know the fact that what really made them to do that or speak that. You will not be able to understand the completeness of the situation, what led it to become that. From my perspective, from my knowledge, or from my experience, let me tell you, in one of the incidents when I did the same questions and introspection, whatever I am saying to you, the same thing when I followed with one of the person, what I really got to understand at the end, let me tell you that hurt people hurts. That is what I really felt. When every other people could find mistakes in them, what I really could see is I really felt hurt, that something has been hurt in them. That's why they are giving out the same hurt to others, because no happy person can hurt any other people, right? So I want you to reflect this. What is that coming out for you? When you do this step, you will really get to understand that what is that made them to do that, to speak that. What is that really made adverse in the situation? You will really find out the meaning behind what has really happened. When you found the exact meaning, exact thing what has happened from their point, which made them to be that, then you have really cracked the code. Okay, so just learn this, just give yourself this 100% involvement to understand their perspective from their experience and their situation beliefs, and then come on to the end of this step. Okay, and now when you really learned what has really made them to be that, now I know that this learning, what you have really got it, imbibe that learning, have it in you. That will really help you to understand and see which no other people can see in them. That will help you to have a better relationship with each and every incident with them in a better way. You will find that every incident whichever has happened in the past or going to happen will really help you to become a better person, to see the betterness in them and to have a better relationship. When you as a person has transformed yourself from inside, you will see every situations will help you to make you a better person, not to break you. When you become a better person at every situation, you will find that every person has helped you to become a better person by just being a catalyst in your life. So I believe that this video has helped you an immense thing. Just rewind it and get it along and just do this exercise and give your 100% to it, and you will see that it's very easy to just do this exercise and get knowing it and to have a better relationship. I believe this has really helped you out. What was your experience by using all these things? Just put it in the comments to let me know, and also like this video and share this video to as many so that they will also get to know how to have a better relationship. And at the same time, subscribe to this channel so that you will get to have a notification whenever I post videos. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Thank you and